have SONY Xperia XZ2 and let me show you how to set up the wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Here you need to find and select the apps icon. Now choose settings, and from the list of settings you need to select appearance. Choose here the wallpaper, and here you can choose the wallpaper by using the album, live wallpapers, photos or Xperia Home. In my case, let me for example use the live wallpapers. You can use the 3D creator and you can just create your own 3D wallpaper, or you can go back and choose the Xperia Home, and here you've got some default wallpapers that you can use. In my case, for example, let me choose the following one right here, and you have to decide either you would like to apply this on the lock screen or on the home screen, or you may also apply on both screens. So let me tap apply, and as you can see right now my screen is changed, also on the lock screen. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.